You are going to live in a terminal for the rest of this book, so here is the honest minimum. 5 commands get you around. pwd prints the working directory, which answers the question where am I, and it is the same word on both platforms. ls lists the files, on PowerShell dir works too, and on Unix ls-l gives you the detailed listing with sizes and dates. cd changes directory. cd ... goes up one level, ... always meaning the parent. And make dir creates a folder. That is genuinely enough to navigate any machine. Almost every beginner problem I get asked about, file not found, compiler not found, the program will not run, comes down to being in a different directory from the one you think you are in. So when something is strange, type pwd first. 3 more for handling files. To delete one, del on PowerShell, rm on Unix. Note that neither of them puts anything in a recycle bin. The file is gone immediately and without a prompt, so read the line before you press enter. To print a file to the screen without opening an editor, PowerShell has get-content and Unix has crt, which is short for concatenate and is one of the most used commands in existence. And when the screen is a mess, cls on PowerShell, clear on Unix. Both leave your files entirely alone. They just scroll the noise away. And finally the keys, which matter more than the commands. The up arrow recalls your previous command, and pressing it repeatedly walks back through your history. You will recompile the same file hundreds of times in this book, and you should almost never retype that command. Tab auto-completes a file or folder name from the first few letters, which also means it silently proves the file exists. Control-C stops a running program, and you will need it the first time you write an infinite loop, which will be soon. And the last 2 are the ones people get stuck on. Several programs in this book read input until end of file. To signal end of file from the keyboard, you press Ctrl-Z then enter on Windows, or Ctrl-D on Linux and Mac OS. Without that, the program simply sits there waiting, and it looks like a crash when it is actually your terminal politely waiting for you.